Now comes convection. What is convection? Convection is the process by which heat is transferred in liquids and gases from the hotter part to the colder part. One thing which should be remembered is that heat always transfers from the higher temperature towards the lower temperature, that is from the hotter part to the colder part. So in case of the solids, what is happening? Conduction is the process which is taking place, while in case of the liquids and gases, the heat transfer is taking place by the process of convection. Now the activity. Let's see what happens in the activity. Take some water in the round bottom flask. Here we have taken some water in the round bottom flask. Keep it on a tripod stand. One stand is taken, tripod stand is taken. Put a crystal of potassium permanganate in it, and one crystal of potassium permanganate is dropped in this round bottom flask. Now we have started heating it with the help of a burner. Now first of all, what will happen whenever the burner will blow up and it will start heating the object? What will happen? First of all, the water at the bottom will become hot and it will start rising up, as you can see in the figure. With the help of the arrows it is shown. And then this cold water which is at the upper side, it will start moving down. This water will become hot, rise up, and cold water from the top moves down, and this whole process continues until all the water gets heated up. This shows that heat is transferred by convection. This whole process is known as convection. As you can see here also in this figure, a pan is taken, water is taken in this, and from below some heat is transferred. What happened? Hot water is at the bottom, it rises up. Water is cool at the top, it moves down. So cooler water sinks and hot water rises, and this cycle continues until and unless whole of the water becomes hot. So this process of transferring heat from the hotter part to the colder part in the case of liquids is termed to be as convection. So my dear students, we will stop over here. Thank you very much.